the limited knowledge that I have, I believe that it is important first for one to understand, is there a God? Now, is there a God is a very personal journey. Either there is one according to you, or the entire structure of creation has come about on a whim without a creator. But if there is a creator, I would like to believe that the creator, in his or her immense foresight, realized that each individual, each living being would need a helping hand, a guiding force. As mankind, we are supremely flawed, self-destructive. We lose heart, we go astray. It's all part of our physical as well as spiritual DNA. And I believe the archangels, angels, what Zoroastrians call the Ameshaspans, the Yazatas, their only purpose is to give each individual a helping hand to move forward towards the light. Whether they have wings, whether they have fancy attire, whether they have colors emitting from them, I am not sure. But I do believe one thing. Just as a mother is always there blessing the child, her blessings making sure that the child is protected. Similarly, God has given us His sigh, His whisper in the form of guardian angels. If ever you are in need, if ever you are despondent, if ever you feel alone, all one needs to do is go into silence, and I am certain you will feel their presence around you. Roshni Shehnaz's book is important for us at this moment for a simple reason. Somewhere along the line, we are losing hope. Somewhere along the line, we are assuming that there is no one for us. The affirmation that archangels, angels, guardian angels, also in the form of our loved ones who have passed over, are always there. Reach out to them. They will guide you. They will protect you. They will help you as long as you are open to them. A message a day is important for a simple reason. One can ponder over it, contemplate on it, seek positivity from it, as well as understand that each moment lived with complete sincerity, absolute no bullshit within yourself, towards yourself, is going to take you to the path, is going to make you a better being. Jai Baba.